Welcome back, friends, to my YouTube channel, The Dream Team TV. This is Pramod Patankar. A very big thank you to all of you for making our YouTube channel cross the 1000 subscription mark. Now we have 1000 subscribers. Thank you, thanks a lot. जो आज का हमारा टॉपिक है that came to me through my team members after they have completed a sale. ये प्री सेल में भी relevant होगा. There are three things we are going to touch today. The first one is patience. ये हमारे एक बहुत सफल टीम मेंबर है, 8-10 साल से काम करते हैं. He came to me with a file that had gone to the central office, which was there for nearly 1 month, more than a month. और आके मेरे केबिन में कहा उन्होंने, टेबल पे फाइल रखे, सर इसे छोड़ देते, अभी ये केस ही नहीं करना है. ऐसे क्या हुआ? बोले कितना पेशेंस रखूं सर, इतने सारे रिक्वायरमेंट्स उन्होंने मांगे हैं. Now requirements are certain papers that LIC asks, financial papers, medical papers, something from the party, जो केस अप्रूव करने के लिए जरूरी है. So he was asking me a question, कितना पेशेंस रखूं? The answer is quite simple. I told him, now you don't worry, we'll look into it and we will get it completed. The answer to the question, how much patience, कितना रखना चाहिए, is very simple. जब तक रिजल्ट नहीं आता, you have to show patience till you get the result. Otherwise patience का मतलब ही क्या हुआ? Because as a salesperson, you have shown all the patience in the market. अगर आप सक्सेसफुल सेल्स पर्सन हो तो ऑलरेडी आपने पेशेंटली क्लाइंट को डील किया है, सारे केस की जो रिक्वायरमेंट्स है वो यहाँ तक लाए हैं. नाउ यू हैव कंप्लीटेड 90% ऑफ द जॉब. लास्ट 1 or 2% के लिए अगर आप पेशेंस छोड़ दोगे, इट इज ऑफ नो यूज. सो द फर्स्ट थिंग इज पेशेंस टिल यू गेट अ रिजल्ट. इसका जो सेकेंड पॉइंट है दैट इज कनेक्टेड. बिकॉज ऑफ पेशेंस, क्यों पेशेंस लूज करते हो आप? बिकॉज ऑफ लैक ऑफ knowing the steps and processes. Now whenever you want to forward a case to division, zonal or central office, या कोई भी बड़ा केस आप करते हो, there are certain set of papers which are standard, which are required anywhere in India. सिर्फ आपके केस को नहीं लगेगा, किसी के केस को भी लगेगा. ये सारी इंफॉर्मेशन आप ठीक से अगर पता कर लेते हो, if you know the exact things that are required. In our office we have created an index with every file. There is a printed index and then we keep on ticking those points कि ये सब हमने उसको अटैच कर दिया है. अगर ये आप कर लोगे, the chances of losing patience go down and the results will be faster. आपके केस जल्दी कंप्लीट होना शुरू होगा. Systems and processes, that is the second point. The third point is, ये दोनों आपने कर लिया, पेशेंटली सारा कुछ सबमिट कर दिया है, आपको स्टेप्स और प्रोसेसेस भी पता है, उसके बाद भी it has not completed. Third point, which is very important even in pre-sales, is sitting across one-to-one with the person. जो client आपका चेक नहीं दे रहा है, sit across with him and try to understand. Ask him the question जो हमने पिछले वीडियो में पूछा था एक question. Please tell me what is the real reason you are not signing the check, you are not completing the case. वैसे ही आप जब केस सबमिट करते हो, sit across with the person who is processing your proposal, processing your case and try to understand वो exactly क्या चाहते हैं. Most of the times it is a very simple and small thing. वो आप कर लोगे तो out of 198-99 cases will get through. एक या दो केसेस में शायद you both may not agree on the same point और आपको थोड़ा रुकना पड़ेगा. Possible. But this will make you a complete salesperson. Patience till you get the results. A perfect understanding of systems and processes that are necessary for completing a case or getting the case approved. And third, sitting across one-to-one. Let's use this and become a complete salesperson. Let's meet again with a new topic. Please continue to like and share my videos and subscribe. हमें बहुत 10,000, 20,000, लाख तक जाना है सब्सक्रिप्शन में. Continue to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.